Hey guys, it's Jamie here, and I'm going to do my happy planner from the 6th of December to the 12th. I'm going to stop avoiding Christmas themes and go with Christmas themes. It's no longer cold in the UK, it's now just raining, and I didn't fancy doing an umbrella and welly spread. So spoke to my friend at Magpie Printables, and she gave me her pink Christmas ephemera kit. Printed it all out on sticky paper, and I've cut it all out, and I'm just going to see what can be done. It's Victorian style. I'm going into a modern planner, but I've done it before. I've used her kit on the mermaid spread, I think, as well, and also the Alice in Wonderland, which is one of my favourites. We've got a variety of Christmassy type images. Victorian pink. I thought this would be quite good as a gratitude box, and might well put that down here. So we could start with that and get a bit of something going. And let's see what else we've got here. I thought we could use some of these frames as spots to write things in. We've also got these, which are like little, what do you call those? Swags. I've got a love heart you could write in. Just getting all the writing stuff at the moment. I think that's the place to start with this one. I think you could write in that one. Got another one of those, that's good. Another one of those, smaller, sort of mirror thing. Even in a kit for a junk journal, there is actually plenty of slightly different style boxes that you could use to do your actual planning. Look at that, that's plenty for me. Let's have a think. Here I normally do my jobs to do for the day, for the week, and that's quite a nice box, but I'll have to think how to fit that in with an image. So it's pale pink, that'll be looking the wrong way. A rose might go, children angels might go, that's quite nice. Or we could actually go with Santa. And let's have a look at our Victorian style images. So he's looking the wrong way. Actually, most of them are. He's looking the wrong way as well, unless you put him there, which you could do. Then I think I'd still want something here. And I'm not sure what would go with that. Maybe not. Flower. It might end up as a big collage. I prefer that there. Still feel there's a gap, but I'm not sure if anything really goes. Then that's too many pictures, I think. Okay, I'm going to lay this down a bit like this. You can always just write in a box, can't you? You don't have to have an actual journaling spot. Things to do on Wednesday. Just wondering about maybe taking a frame over so that when the pages are together you can see it's a frame. I think this might be better. I'm not sure. Kind of works. I think you could keep losing things now. No, that would go across, but maybe there. That would look alright. And then you need something down here. I want something more circular, maybe like that. Yeah, I don't dislike that. Yeah, I have writing space around these lot. I'm wondering about the washi. Let's just have a look. Does it help? Does it hinder? I prefer it with the washi than without. I will do my usual thing of cutting around the image very gently and pulling the washi up so it fits. Might do some here. Don't want it to line up perfectly with that one. I think we'll do a little bit up here. I do actually think that is that page. done. Now onto this side, got our big gratitude box, got some writing space on here. What do we want on this side? Got some angels, and then we have another matching box. I've got a big swag, a bit of a buckle going on. Got these angels and children, or a big Father Christmas, Jolly Santa. Could put that there. I was going to use that buckle there, maybe the rose and another little swaggy bit. See, you've got something you can write. Now we had Roll Along Horse and some angels. I did quite like the angels there though. The washi to get on. I'm not sure that particularly works, so I might have to pop a little something down like that. How are we feeling? I think that's pretty much done, to be honest with you. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. Okay, that's pretty cool actually. Very different. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps others to see it. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm uploading 3 to 5 times a week at the moment. And let me know what you think of putting vintage into a modern planner in the comments below. And I will see you next time.